Hey everyone, it's Jess and welcome to another Birchbox video. This is March's box and I'm so excited to open this one. I hope you guys are doing well and are having a great day. I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited for summer. I just cannot wait for it to be here. I feel like it's gonna be like a redemption summer from last year. So I'm really excited for that. And also, I have some big news. It is almost my chaniversary. See what I did there? It's gonna be my 1 year channel anniversary. I joined on April 11th, 2020, and we are almost to that point. Not too many more weeks. And for me, as a media influencer, I've come to 49 subscribers. And I think I'm excited for this year because I feel like I'm going to try to expand more. But I am so grateful for the faithful subscribers that have subscribed to me already. Thank you guys. It means so much to me. And I just wanted to tell you guys to make sure and tell your friends and family about my channel. If they happen to like the same content that you do, please share my videos, and it would just help me out so much, and I would be so grateful. On April 11th, on my chaniversary, I'm going to try to either post a video, maybe a live stream, or a poll. I'm not sure. I still have to figure it out, but I will hopefully be posting on April 11th. And with that, let's get into March's Birchbox. This is the box. We have like an abstract painting of a lady here. Abstract picture, sorry. Let's open it up. Woohoo! This is cute. So we have our list of products, and then we have, we'll put Jess's stuff I actually want to do list. I like this because sometimes I procrastinate on my bucket list, so this is cute. It says, I want to try, I want to read, I want to watch, I want to listen to, I want to learn, I want to cook/bake and or eat. It would be and eat for me. And I want to do. And then P.S. Even if you don't get to do anything on your list, you just opened up your March Birchbox. That's a minute to yourself. Or 40 seconds, depending on how fast you open packages. I'm going to say it's probably a minute for me. I love looking through everything. Okay, we have some really pretty purple paper this month. Ooh, this is a good box. Let's get into it. This one makes me so excited. Okay, this is the Blonde Me Keratin Restore Bonding Mask for all blondes. The full size is $25. I already love this. It says, this nourishing mask uses integrated bonding technology to help create new bonds and strengthen hair. Apply to clean, damp hair, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. I love masks, especially hair masks. I'm a big fan of them, but I haven't gotten to use them often, so this is it. Looks really nice, and I'm so excited. I love products that are curated for your personal needs. Like, I'm a blonde, so you get to take a little quiz on the Birchbox website, and you get to state your hair color, your skin type, and everything, and then they personalize your boxes to your needs, which I think is pretty cool. Next is the Loom Beauty Pure Serenity Golden Sea Serum. Full size is $90. Let's take it out so I can show you how big it is. Oh, this is adorable. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's sparkly. And it has this little squeeze top, which is really fancy. Let's see. It says, this serum combines powerful ingredients suspended in golden droplets for maximum potency to help melt away fine lines and wrinkles and leave skin glowing. Suitable for all skin types. Massage 2 to 4 droplets into clean, dry skin morning and night. This looks awesome. I have no words. It's just so cool. It seriously looks like gold. Next is something adorable. Look at this tiny brow gel. It's called Model Co. Oh, I think I've received a brow product from them before. More Brows Fiber Gel. Light medium. Perfect. Full size is $18. Fill, define, and volumize your brows with this easy-to-apply gel. Make short upward strokes through your brows to fill in sparse spots, then use the tip to shape and style. That's exciting. And so miniature. Now we have the Payot Hydra 24 Plus Cream Glacé. I'm probably saying that wrong. Like 99%. Full size is $48, and this says it's the first time sampling, so that's pretty cool. This silky, rich cream moisturizer melts into skin for intense 24-hour hydration. Apply all over face after cleansing, morning and evening. Oh my goodness. Moisturizers, can't get enough. I've only found 2 moisturizers that I've been able to use. My skin is really sensitive, and so far I've only been able to use the Burt's Bees Firming Moisturizer and Olay. So maybe this will be another win. TLW I'm Really Busy Volume Spritz. Full size, $20. Look at this. This is relatable, guys. I'm really busy. Okay. Give hair volume. Oh, it's a hair product. And texture without drying it out. Spritz through damp hair for effortless looking undone hair with a medium hold. I just love this whole concept. Last one is this perfume. Juliet has a gun. Not a perfume. I'm going to say this wrong. UD Parfume. It's French. I don't know. Full size is $100. Good thing we get to try out this little one. This allergen-free minimalist scent has a single note. Elegant, spicy Cetalox. Nice. And it says, not a perfume. Okay, honestly, guys, when I first looked at this, I was like, oh, it's not a perfume. I open it. It's a perfume. Why did I fall for that? And guys, that is it for March's Birchbox. So we have the Blonde Me mask, the perfume that is a perfume. Don't pay attention to this. Then we have the I'm Really Busy hair texturizing hairspray. And we have the tiny brow gel. It's so cute. And then we have our Payot hydration gel. And we have this magical Pure Serenity Golden Sea Serum, which still looks amazing. And then we also have our really cute to-do list. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope to see you guys soon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!